This is Mary from Synno Lighting. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Today I will show you guys some of our most wholesale outdoor products, such as the LED floodlight, LED garden lights, and LED swimming pool light, and then LED underground light, LED window lights, and the wall light. Our developed garden spotlight and all of the products have passed the C and the Roche certification. And the first light series is the LED floodlight. This one.
Okay.
Most hot sales LED floodlight. The first one is this one. The light body is die casing aluminum.
Can you say again? Can you repeat?
Yeah, I see. This light is made of die casing aluminum. Yeah, the heat dissipation is more better, and
okay.
It has the IP65 waterproof.
What? Okay.
Yeah, 65 waterproof. IP grade. Yeah. The second one is this floodlight. Yeah, because I'm in the office, so I have no sample on here.
Okay, so we can go through with the catalog?
Yeah, yes. Then this is the second LED floodlight. It have high quality and with competitive price in most wholesales in our factory.
So it's being used in the outside and it's waterproof. And so what's the color temperature of this product?
It have 2,700 to 6,500 Kelvin.
So we can choose from two different color temperature, right? Yes. Okay.
The second series I will introduce is our LED garden lights. This garden lights, and this is the FEA garden lights. The second garden light, hot sales garden light, is this, and it's F24. First, let's introduce this one. This is the new and developed light sales in our factory. The light body is die casing aluminum, and the chip is Korea.
Okay.
Yeah, the quality is high. Quality is very high, and it has high spike and base washer for choose.
So how many years warranty? Okay.
Sorry. What? How many?
How many years warranty?
It has 2 years to 5 years. It all available.
So it depends on what chips you choose. Okay.
Yes. It has green, black, and white light body color. Yeah. The second one is this one. This one also very hot sales in our factory. Yeah, it is most cute, and it also has black and gray, white, about 4 colors light board for choose.
So what's the size of this small one? What's the size of this small product?
Okay, let's see. This The small size is diameter 42. Okay, let's see the catalog. This one. The small size is diameter 42 millimeter. It fit for the 3 wattage and the 5 wattage. It also total has four size for choose.
4 size for choose and has different voltage.
Yeah.
And I see from the catalog it has different beam width, right?
Yes. So it also has IP65 waterproof. What use of this outside? Yes.
So does it mention what's the distance for the light?
Distance? Light about 20 meters.
20 millimeters?
20 meters, yeah.
Oh, 20 meters. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And the next series I will introduce is the LED underground light. This underground light and these two kinds of. And the first is we can see this is the cover. Light cover is stainless steel. It's cheap. Yeah. This is a night. This is a night body.
Okay.
In the
So it should be.
Yeah. It is high quality and hot cells.
Okay, so it's resist in the floor, right?
Yes. Yeah, and the second light is this. This light has several light effects to choose, such as it has one way, two-way, or three-way, or four-way, or several way to choose. Okay. You can see it can light like this or this. Yeah.
I have seen this product before, so it can be different size, right?
Yeah.
So would you like tell us how many size you have for this product?
It have 2 size, 3 size, 4 size, and 7 size. Total 4 size. 4 size for sure.
Total 4 size, okay.
Yeah. And the next series I will introduce is the LED swimming pool light. Can see. Yeah, this is one of the most hot sales LED swimming pool light. Yeah, we can see it made of the ABS material. Then it is used for transportation. Cannot broken.
Where is used for?
This for?
Yeah, where is it used for?
Can you see where is used? Oh, where it is widely used for the swimming pool. Yeah.
A swimming pool, right?
Yes. Sorry.
Yes, because this is the first time I see this item, so I have no idea where to use it.
Yes, it's installed in the swimming pool.
So it's directly inside in the swimming pool or the floor of the swimming pool?
Small or big is all available.
Okay.
Yeah. It's surface install and it is easily to install. Yeah. So it's very popular in our customers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And the second swimming pool line is this one. It is made of stainless steel. Then we can see our catalog. This one. Yeah. Can you see?
I see the color is different. So what's other different?
Yes. Also the quality is different. This type is made of stainless steel 304, and it has blue and white light body color for choose.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And this one and the ABS cell, all of them can make RGB with remote. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. The color, the night effect is very colorful. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I can see. So I can see it can be changed to RGB mode. It can be used with the our usual colors.
Yes, yes. It's very beautiful of the color. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And next, there is the LED windows. Our window light, LED window light. Yes. This is one of the LED windows light. Yeah, one of the style. This one has. Yeah, we can see it can rotate 360.
Yeah, it can rotate.
Yeah. So it can light 360 degree too. Yeah.
Okay.
The LED chip is inside there.
Mm-hmm. So you have different colors for this product, right?
Yes, it has black and white. Also the dark green color. Yeah.
So it's installed directly to the window shade, or
yeah. I can show one pictures for you.
Yeah.
Yes. You can see the night effect.
Let's see how it looks like in the night.
Yeah, like this. Yeah. Can see.
Okay.
This is the night effect.
Oh, the frame is going to like square. It's based on the shape of the window, right?
Yes. And the next is LED wall light. Our LED wall light. This is the most. It is the top search. In September and October in this year in our Alibaba. Yeah, this light.
Okay. The wall light is double edge or one edge?
Yes. It has rounder and square washer. Also, it can make COB and high power washer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
the most important. Yeah. Most important is it can make lamp cap. It also makes lamp cap.
Okay.
Such as the E27 and the GU10. Then the customers can change the card by themselves.
Okay.
It's more convenient and save their money. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Yeah. So it is very popular and wholesale. Yeah.
Okay. So the light is come out from two sides, right? From the top and the bottom, right?
Yes. It has meet the customer's requirement.
Okay. Yeah, I can see the picture.
Yeah. That's all of the light introduction today.
Okay, and, so it's all the introduce about your product. So would you like to say more things about your company?
Okay. Our company has 12 years. Yes, it established on the 2018. Oh no.
2008, right?
No. It has 12 years. We have established about 12 years.
Okay, and you have.
It has 3,000 square of our factories. Our factory has 3,000 square meters.
So you are focused on high quality LED product.
Yeah.
And so you have the mission, the concept of the green light to create a brand, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anything new you want to tell us?
And if any interesting about our products and for the more information, please square my WeChat.
Okay, so
yes.
So this is okay. Let's see. This is the barcode of your WeChat.
Yeah, the barcode of my WeChat. Yeah.
Okay. Any information?
Below is my email address.
Oh, okay. The email, I cannot see the email address clearly. Maybe you want to type it on the screen, but we can see the barcode. So we have okay, we already have the barcode. Okay. Thank you so much for telling us the new product and the story about your company. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. See you. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye-bye.